Today's Forex market is influenced by various key events and trends. Chinese Yuan's performance. The Chinese Yuan has been gaining against the US dollar recently, trading at 0.1373. The Yuan's rise comes after a difficult year, with its value dropping from 0.1480. This improvement is partly attributed to the potential benefits from US-China talks, despite the dollar losing ground as traders speculate that the Federal Reserve's tightening cycle might be over. There's also a context of foreign direct investment deficit in China and the country's weaker than expected economic performance. The upcoming US-China relations could further influence the yuan, especially with President Biden's planned visit to President Xi Jinping. Gold price movement. Gold prices rose on Tuesday, despite a cooling in inflation. Gold reached $1,962 and is attempting to regain the $2,000 level. Gold is traditionally used as an inflation hedge, but the Federal Reserve's interest rate hikes have lessened its demand. However, tensions in the Middle East have recently led to a surge in gold prices. The situation seems stabilized for now, with talks of a ceasefire in Ukraine and no wider conflict with Israel. A drop in the dollar index also supported gold's price rise. U.S. stock market reaction. U.S. inflation figures, lower than expected, led to a drop in 10-year bond yields and a jump in stock prices. The S&P 500 surged 80 points, reaching above 4,500. The Consumer Price Index (CPI) annual inflation rate dropped to 3.2% last month, which is a significant decrease from the 40-year high of 9.1% in June 2022. This decrease has led investors to speculate that the Federal Reserve might pause or even cut interest rates. EU-RGBP dynamics. The EU-RGBP exchange rate is facing significant pressure due to upcoming high-level data releases. These include UK employment numbers, GDP growth estimates for European Q3, and German ZEW economic sentiment figures. The EU-RGBP has encountered resistance at the May highs, and the upcoming data could trigger either a correction or a further increase in its value. The European economy, as per the International Monetary Fund, is expected to avoid a recession, but challenges in reducing inflation persist. These developments indicate a complex interplay of economic, political, and geopolitical factors influencing the Forex market today.